Today we'll look at autoboxing and unboxing. And autoboxing is the automatic conversion that the Java compiler makes between a primitive type, such as int, to its corresponding object wrapper class, which in this case is the integer object. And the Java compiler does autoboxing when the primitive value is assigned to a variable of the corresponding wrapper class. So for example, here we assign the int to the integer object. And when the primitive value is passed as a parameter to a method that expects an object of the corresponding wrapper class, then the compiler also does autoboxing in this case. So effectively, the int is automatically converted to an integer, and as we can see, the integer is output to the screen. Now unboxing, on the other hand, goes in reverse. So it's the automatic conversion that the Java compiler makes from the wrapper class, such as double, to the primitive type, which is double in this case. So here, for example, the double D, which has a value of 5.3, is automatically converted to a double primitive type. So D is going to be equal to 5.3 also. And when we pass the object as a parameter to a method that expects a value of the corresponding primitive type, which is a double in this instance, the compiler performs unboxing and thereby converts its double object to a double primitive type. So as we can see, when we output D, it's 5.3.